Hey guys, I will show you how to fix the keyboard delay problem on Windows 11 operating system. So this solution is also applicable for the Windows 10 operating system. So you have to just follow my screen and don't miss any steps. We will fix this issue together. So let's begin. First of all, open settings. So right click on the start icon, then click on settings. And once we are here, we have to select the accessibility. Then on this window, just keep scrolling down until we found the keyboard in the interactions section. Just click here, and then we have to disable this option, that is filter keys. So turn off this one. Once done, close this window, and then again just right click here, click on run, and then we have to type here control keyboard and hit enter. So make sure you have to set repeat rate up to the highest level, so this will fix the issue. And then go to the device manager, again right click here, select device manager. Once we are here, we have to upgrade the keyboard driver, so expand this, right click on the particular device, select properties, go to the drivers tab and click on update driver. Once we are here, we need to select the first option. Make sure you have to connect your internet connection, so click on search automatically for drivers, and the base drivers will be installed automatically. Then close this window, close all windows one by one, and in the last step you have to just go to the search bar, type your task manager, then click on run new task, then click on browse button. Now go to this PC, C drive, then go to Windows folder. Now open system32 folder. So here it is. Now find out cmd.exe file, just select it and click on open. Now check this box to create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to execute the command, that is dism.exe space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health and hit enter. So this will take some time to complete the process. We need to wait for it, and then once done, just type exit to close the command prompt window and restart the system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved and you're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel, and please check out the pinned comment, that will help you more to fix this issue. So let's close this one.